How to navigate the Peacock TV interface. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you can tap open your Peacock TV application if you have installed in your device. If not, just launch your Peacock in a website. Now to starting off, you can choose a profile with which you will create your very own Peacock TV account. You can also create one for your kids, where you'll be able to control the content that is viewable in the Peacock TV. Just like any other application, you will see the main options such as the Home, Browse, My Peacock, Search, and Kids. In Home, it will be filled with feature content, personalized recommendations, and trending shows. If you want to browse, according to your title, genre, or network, just tap on the browse icon. If you want anything to do with accounts such as manage, watch list, and download, just tap on the Peacock icon that will be at the very top in your right hand corner. You can use it to find specific shows, movies, or actors using the search icon. You can even download a particular series, movies, or more. Some of the additional features include continue watching option, which will appear at the top showing what you were watching latest. If available on your plan, minded it might require a premium subscription, you will get the option of live channels as well. So that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.